Welcome back to the Man in the Machine. Welcome to another vlog. Welcome to another day fun-filled with cars. Like that beauty right there. I'm here with the Outlaw, checking out his Skyline with my Aston. And that R32 is looking hella sweet. This guy Mike, he bought this car as is, and he's done a few mods to it, put some bags on it. But we love those T's, the Volks Racing. Veil side body kit maybe. Tie plates. He said he did the tail lights right here. So those tail lights are kind of cool. You can see the 3D dimension, that depth that goes with those tail lights. This exhaust over my voice right now. That thing is so loud. It pops like crazy. I can hear. It's got a little roll cage in here too. Is that a fire extinguisher right there? Let's hop in here and see what this car looks like. Oh! R32 life, ladies and gentlemen. R32 life. It's a little close in here. But you gotta admit, I'd be down. I'd roll with. I look good in it, right? His setup produces up to 600 horsepower, but I guess these cars come stock with 6-cylinder, the 3.2 liter, maybe about 270, 300 horsepower. I'm trying to recall from my vague recollection. You JDM folks, correct me down here. Tell me what I'm missing on this car. Getting some footage out here, checking it out. Hopefully I'll get a ride, but he also said that the car is still in a little bit of progress. The full power isn't there yet. His boost is, I think, down to 15 pounds at this point. He's working on getting it tuned up so we go for a proper ride. I'm excited. Get some footage for you. Yeah, for sure. First 7 R32, and I'm having a blast. Thank you, Mike, for popping my cherry and letting me see what the life of a Skyline owner and enthusiast would be sitting in the passenger seat on the left-hand side.
The American driver's side.
The American driver's side, yes. What made you want to get this car, man?
I've always wanted a Skyline. It's been a dream car of mine for a long time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well,
I like the body lines of the R32 better than the 33s.
Yeah.
The RV motors are just always so fun to play with.
This car is but what makes it fun right here? Just look down here.
5-speed?
Yes, let's go.
It's got a stage 2 unsprung HKS clutch, so it's kind of fun trying to learn it at first too.
Oh man, you've got a handle on this car. You're getting that tail end out nicely. Putting a big smile on my face, but the night has hit us. So this is a short run. We're just gonna find more time to get more content whenever he gets this thing properly spiced up.
Yeah.
All the bells and whistles, all the final touches, the tuning, and we're gonna really light my seat on fire. But thanks, man. Thanks for taking me for a ride. Yeah. Hopefully enjoy the footage and the pops and the bangs. But until the next one, smash subscribe, hit the like, turn on the notifications. We out.
Racing is life. Anything that happened before